Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. We have the weekend deal. Not this weekend. This weekend is free gifts. Weekend deal for the 31st to the 2nd. And it's our favorite. 30% off all items. $10 and under, limit 5. And for ITC, 30% off all items. $20 and under. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And we know the deal. This weekend deal, free gift. Don't forget that. Starting July 24th, but July 31st to end this month of July, we have 30% off all items, $10 and under, limit 5 in bold. The 31st to the 2nd, limit 5, valid in store while supplies last. The 31st to the 2nd cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. It excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Coupon required for non-members. Inside Clap members, I'd join. Inside Club members receive discount and register. Other restrictions may apply. And then, of course, for Inside Track is what they're talking about. 30% off all items, $20 and under. And if you're new to the HARBROs, this is one of the pinnacle sales that they have. One of the better deals that happens throughout the year. It happens a few times. It's one of our gauges as to how good a percentage off should be off of certain items. And this is our gauge for items that are $20 and under. The world is our oyster. Same thing for ITC, limit 5, 31st to the 2nd, no coupon required, discount applied at the register. So great deal starting the 31st. And now we'll do a dive into what the HARBROs recommend you should get. So we start off with, and this will still be going on, instant savings. Instant savings. We're going to focus, of course, on items that are $20 and under. I feel like we mentioned that in some of the videos as we're going through. Don't forget Viking, stack it if you have a chance today. Apache also for deal 9. But we're going to go down to $20 and look at this. Look at this. Well, we'll start off with Bauer. We'll give Bauer its due 2.2 amp orbital quarter sheet disc sander, already down 20%. I feel like this does get discounted though during the parking lot sale. Down to $20, but an extra 30% off, get it down to $14, which will make it an overall savings of 44% off. 44% off the sander. We keep going. This one, if it's in stock, is the crazy deal. And I feel like there was a great discount on it recently. Was it the last 30% off? Anything $20 and under? Anyways, this is a unicorn deal. It's already $20. I would say it's okay to pick it up at $20 if it's available in your area. They're competing with, I think it's Hyper Tough, Walmart's $20 magnetic mat. But here we are, $20, already 20% off, and it's going to be the same deal, $20 with an extra 30% off, getting it for $14. $14 off of 25 is going to be the same, 44% off for Icon mat. That's just, it's unbeatable. Hopefully they have it in stock in your area. And the rest, if you need it, same thing, get down to $14. The Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack, already 33% off, get it down to $14, which means it's over 50% off. I hope your store is one of the stores that allows you to stack your instant savings. Again, it's already been confirmed from some of the HARBROs, but there is 1 out of 10 stores that will not allow it, unfortunately. Garage Boss 5-gallon gas can at $20, only 9% off, but still get it down to $14. Bronze 400 lumen rechargeable pen light with UV light, 20% off already, same as the Icon mat and the Bauer. Get it down to $14. It'll be 44% off. Pittsburgh's half-inch drive extendable ratchet, 13% off already. Get it down to $14. Gas cans, all 9% off. Get them down to $14. For the Tarp Bros, $20 tarp down to $17. 11 by 15 foot heavy duty reflective 9mm tarp. And at $17, get it down to $11.90. So sub $12. Pittsburgh Pro Alert, of course, already 25% off. We will do the math for that as well. Already 25% off, and you're getting it down to $10.50. So almost a 50% savings on the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive. Same thing over here, Pittsburgh Pro 1/4 inch, get it down to $10.50. Not as big as a savings because it's originally $18, but still a hefty savings. Inside Track, try to do the best they could, 28% off already, which is interesting. It's on instant savings and Inside Track, or why is this popping up here? I feel like they're doubling up. Ammo can, 30% off already. Get that an extra, what is that? That 14 bucks. Get it 30% off. Get it down to sub $10, $9.80. And the rest of the world is your oyster. Maddox remove starter switch. Some Warrior reciprocating saw blades. Butane micro torch down to 12 bucks. Get that. An extra 360 off, so sub $10. Pittsburgh 10mm metric essential socket set. 10 piece, 14% off already. And we'll peruse the last instant savings. But this is normally where we start. Some chip brushes, already 26% off. Braun Light 800 lumen, 9 bucks, already 25% off. Save an extra $2, almost $3, $2.70. Foam kneeling pad for your loved ones. Make sure you keep them in mind. 5 bucks, get an extra $1.50 off. $3.50, make it exactly 50% off. They'll be happy. Protect the knees. Quinn scraper. Anyways, great savings in instant savings on the items that are $20 and under. That's where we start. Another great place is on consumables. One example is a WD-40, normally 11 bucks. Get that at 30% off. Get it down to $7.70. So good time to pick up some consumables. And then a place to always check out, because these tools will not go on sale as often, especially since they're brand new. Now there is some exceptions, but we have the Pittsburgh 1/4" drive indexable head ratchet, 20 bucks. So that unlikely will go on sale soon. Look at that, pretty. Get that down to $14. Don't need to do the math. It's 14 bucks. Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity ratchet straps, 20 bucks. Get it down to $14. Carbon steel wire wheel and brush set from Hercules. Get that down to 14 bucks. Pittsburgh 16-quart oil container, always handy. Drain pan, 14 bucks. Bronze brand new 500 lumen rechargeable portable folding LED work light. That'll be $14, but we do know Braun does do sales sometimes for 35 to 40% off, so just keep that in mind. Pressure washer quick connect nozzles accessories are going to be on sale soon, but here they are, 30%. Hercules high carbon steel reduced neck plunge blades, 18 bucks, almost $6 off. Look at that, 37% off for the US magnetic tray and 730. So don't use this for the 30% off 20 and under. Use the ITC if you're inside track. Doyle, another chance to get them at a great discount. The GFCI receptacle tester at 15 bucks. Save $4.50 on this, so about $10. US General glove or tissue magnetic paper towel holders are options. Get them down to about $10. Same thing for the Braun 750 lumen. Doyle dual range non-contact voltage tester, $13. Already a great deal, but get that down to $9.10. And again, one thing for Doyle, they will do a 35 to 40% off, most likely 35% off at one point in the future. It's an extra 5% if you need it now, though 30% is not a bad time to use it. So we're looking at new tools. We're looking at instant savings. Those are the top places. And then your brands like Quinn or Pittsburgh are also great places to check out some of their hand tools that are $20 and under. And first one is our favorite. I would be remiss if I didn't mention her. Her name is Quinn. She's an 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper, and I'm in love with her. 20 bucks, get her down to $14. She strips, she cuts, she crimps from 10 to 24 AWG. So excellent choice for a Quinn option. We have some Quinn sockets, 19 bucks, starting at $19, the deep socket set. Solid choice. Quinn's 1/4" drive, low profile sealed head ratchet at $19, save almost $6. Diamond tip screwdriver, 6-piece, $17. Always an excellent get. And then I would be, again, remiss if I didn't mention the precision screwdriver set compared to Wera. 15 bucks, save an extra $4.50, so about $10. Anyways, those are the ones. There's excellent deals to be had with the save 30% on any items $20 and under. If you're not ITC, this would be the time to get it, but $10 is not too bad. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know what you think. Let me know your lists. We'll prepare for it. And as usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.